Login failed on Tastyworks App Fix. You open the Tastyworks app, excited to check your trades or place a new order, and then it hits you, login failed. It's annoying, especially when markets are moving fast. But here's the good news, this problem is almost always fixable in a few easy steps. First, start with your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak, the Tastyworks app can't properly communicate with its servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data or toggle airplane mode to reset your connection. Next, check for app updates. Open the App Store or Google Play, search Tastyworks, and install any pending updates. Outdated versions can cause authentication errors after system upgrades or new security patches. Then, double-check your login credentials. If you use autofill, delete it and type your username and password manually. Most people get this wrong because saved passwords often include extra spaces or missing characters. If needed, use forgot password to reset it securely. If you're still seeing the error, clear your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps Tastyworks Storage Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to wipe any corrupted files. One more important step, turn off your phone. Tastyworks has strict security protocols and may block logins from masked or foreign IP addresses. Disabling your phone can instantly fix the problem. If nothing works, try logging in through the Tastyworks website. If that also fails, the issue is likely on their servers. Wait a few minutes and try again later. So, when you get a login failed message on the Tastyworks app, remember, it's almost always something small. Check your connection, update the app, re-enter your credentials, clear your cache, and turn off your phone. You'll be back to trading, analyzing options, and managing your portfolio before you know it.